Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Today's puzzle is Dragonmath puzzle. It is inspired from very famous anime TV series known as Dragonballz. Here in this puzzle we have 4 characters named as Gohan, Vegeta, Krillin and Goku. We have to solve all these equations to find out every character's value. So friends, let's start. Before jumping into the detailed solution, let's try to solve this together. Let's pause the video for 30 seconds and try to solve the puzzle. Please put your answers in the comment section. Your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all have solved the puzzle and enjoyed it. Let's begin to see the complete solution. Jumping on to our first equation. In the first equation, we have Gohan. Let us consider Gohan equal to x. So equation will become 1 by 4 x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation to find out value of x. For solving this equation, firstly I will take LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 4, 1 and 1 will be 4. Now I have to multiply 4 with all these numerators. So x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0 into 4, that is equal to 0, because any number multiplied with 0 gives answer as 0. So equation becomes x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation we need to find out factors of the equation. So factors of this quadratic equations will be x minus 4 and x minus 4. So x minus 4 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 will be also equal to 0. So value of x will be equal to 4. And from the first equation we have one character value, that is Gohan, is equal to 4. Now considering our second equation. In the second equation we have two cartoon characters, Vegeta and Krillin, whose sum is equal to 18. And friends, we don't have any of the value for these characters. So directly jumping into our third equation. In third equation we have 3 Krillins minus Vegeta plus 1 Gohan is equal to 10. And we know value of Gohan, that is equal to 4. Putting that here in this equation, the equation will become 3 Krillin minus 6 is equal to Vegeta. Now we don't have value of Krillin and we don't have value of Vegeta. So we will leave this equation as it is and we'll consider this equation as our equation 1. Friends, now from this equation 1, we can conclude that wherever we'll find Vegeta, we will replace Vegeta as 3 Krillin minus 6. So solving our equation 2, in the equation we have Vegeta plus Krillin is equal to 18, and as I told, the value of Vegeta will be replaced by 3 Krillin minus 6. So 3 Krillin minus 6 plus 1 Krillin is equal to 18. Now solving this, 3 Krillin plus 1 Krillin is equal to 4 Krillin is equal to 18 plus 6 is equal to 6. So 1 Krillin value is equal to 6. So putting this Krillin value in our equation 1 and solving this equation to get value of Vegeta. So Vegeta will be equal to 3 into 6, 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Now we have 3 cartoon characters value, that is 1 Gohan is equal to 4, 1 Krillin is equal to 6 and 1 Vegeta is equal to 12. Now jumping on to our fourth equation. In the fourth equation we have 1 Goku minus 2 Gohan is equal to 1 Vegeta. Now we know value of Gohan, that is equal to 4, and we know value of Vegeta, that is equal to 12. So we will put value of Gohan and Vegeta into the equation and solve this equation to get value of Goku. So Goku minus 2 Gohan, 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So Goku is equal to 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Now we have all the characters value present in this puzzle. That is Gohan is equal to 4, Krillin is equal to 6, Vegeta is equal to 12 and Goku is equal to 20. Now putting all these characters value in our last equation and solving it. In the last equation we have 1 Krillin plus 1 Gohan into Vegeta minus Goku is equal to question mark. So putting all these characters value, that will be 6 plus 4 into 12 minus 20. Now we have to apply BODMAS rule into the equation, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve brackets followed by orders, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here in this equation we have multiplication. So firstly we will multiply 4 into 12 and we will get value as 48. So equation becomes 6 plus 48 minus 20. Now we will add 6 plus 48, that is equal to 54. So equation becomes 54 minus 20 and the final answer is 54 minus 20 is equal to 34, and we have solved the puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. And friends, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Puzzle Solver Video. Thank you. Bye bye.